day bepemne insushem ama yati asese nsu eyenkwa na asase edawe emu hanchichemu aduoson so eyensu na sete saade a denti na wotena se emensukom ane nsu enwanwo yiraw ema wani tuka wonsem erade na ye drilling company limited won aba beso how bebria na nipa na mu efa nsu ho wobetu asase yem kopem se wobetu nsu pa eho tewo ne watu ade amawo borehole drilling yayebi water treatment services yaye visibility studies ehu se baby a wo kire yense yentu no ayade ebetu nsu asase ne yem ansa ne yetu yaye hand and electronic pump installation hydrofracture yade machines ahoro esi asase neni ne yatu nsu na fi baby biare wa begu faako yem borehole drilling no eho tew utimenom wode horade egware mpa unya ohaw ankrankrai afiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni nyumeku momre ne rade na ye drilling company limited yabebu am wenyen super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and 02471 714 72. Erade na ye drilling company limited. This is to Ayenkwa.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Pack treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Dropyn, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But madam, how did you hear about Dropyn?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Dropyn since. How about you?
Oh, I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Dropyn, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Dropyn has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Dropyn. Bam.
Dropyn, your convenience is our drive.
Many are Ghana for let's see Amuna and I no pay. Na mama mo akwaba e de abadwumadi so em sa no pay ya da sorry ya na nsuo eto na ade kakra mbese me twemu nyina adwen esiso ne se tete no na yetumi bo mpaye ya na nanom esre obo ade se nsuo nto se de be ya enobai beba nti tete no na nsuo start se etokra na ye hunu se ye nhira kese onyankopon edi hyira yen esan sensuo le ba beto ema enobai aso ema ekuafo ho ato won ema aduane aba ewiase kɔ nanim ye movie to in the industrial world ewiase kɔ nanim no eya kamia ye se sesia no nsuo start se etope na adane enome ede ama ebibi man titiru meyi videos video akere wa menu awura ba ho mantem wa yete sei ubetumi achi mantem ni nyina a wuhu gata ba akokra wona emu an wakoto gata ba akon gata na obekwa koto no so a bebia gata no ekosi no ye drainage system wa gata nketwa no lead to a bigger gata chese nsuo to wo mantem a ebefa gata nketwa nim na akwa kogu gata kesiem basesi ano hwe bebia ye tetetete amenua ye o mantemu a obehu gata nketwa but the end point no gata no enkoto manhole ana gata kesie biem na ebe kakra yegusu a yesisi dan yegusu a ye ka akwan a yenye gata no o how kesie enada yenim in the near future 20 years from now, when we nsuo to the whole Ghana be estate developers, no, especially wokɔ yɛ estate na ɛhɔ na yɛ busa esikafoɔ ne adefoɔ ne nimdifoɔ kɔtena but wokɔ yɛ estate ne bia nsuo tɔpɛ na ɛhɔ yiri estate mua na ɛmɛ sɛ Africa ɛna sɛbe akɔ yɛ sɛ wote estate ya ɛna woyɛ sikani ba akɔ abrokyire a esikafoɔ ne tie mu fie sɛbe ɛyɛ middle class ɛne ehiafoɔ ɛna tete estate sɛdeɛ bɛba no because estate developments no ekwaji asase na yempanyumfo akwaji edan na to no ma ne boa ye dendendende nti uko estate anka eye abrochimemu anka East Legon ne Transaco sabe eye middle class and anka ete ho be nya banesa estate developments no yesrem se de abrofo ne nya adagye eye manholes etotototo asase na se ansomo asi edan no mama yensu esa nyansa ne sa nimde no na nipa ewudodo hwe motorway hwe industries egu motorway nchen ho a ensuo to a wo se motorway eyiri eya rekosem eya asefem ye besre Ghana fo mpanyimfo ye besre assemblyman fo ye besre DEC fo ye besre MPs fo ye besre citizens na yen sole mama yen ye gatesim e wo se ye dru leveler other countries ban the plastic no yes you ban the plastics ya besre Ghana fo mpanyimfo besre Ghana fo mama yenya nhyehyɛ ne ntoto papa ebetumi aboa yen enka nkyerem say ya China nsuo yiri wate Holland 40 nsuo so but bisa say how many times ena nsuo yiri ewo Holland esanse oma yen ntoto papa citizens na yetutu enwura egu gate mo no mo enjai na sebe eyenkura sesam sramo sebe ensuo mu na pɛ ne akofa ye bola ne de abegina gata ho ne yehwie gu gata nim eyiri ne kunipa you are a murderer mo hwɛ video si ensuo start to na nsenye na mo hwɛ de ato man Ghana na bo sɛ ye mobɔ me da mo nyina asemi ne ya click subscribe button no na ja wo comment e wase ho hwɛ video ne ma me da mo nyina ase bye bye.
River motorway. Hey, so na paka ni mwana, mi na ma ye wet. Stop it, mama. Stop it, mama.
Yeah, I like you.
Say it, mama.
Say it everywhere.
Let's go back on that. Where is it?
Laissez ça, c'est moi. Non, Abdoulaye Dina. Ouais, il est dans l'eau. Lui, c'est le mec qui a fait les bêtes. Il a fait ah, vraiment. Et puis ça, comment tu vois un truc comme ça, puis tu t'en vas voiture. Qui est comme ça, tu veux vous faire voiture. Il y a les 4x4, il y a les 4x4 là-bas. Il y a les 4x4 là font ça.
Ça c'est voiture du président là. Ah, lui aussi il dort déjà.
Attends, ils sont plus. Attends, ils voient ça comme un pied comme ça.
Non, il dit Carla n'a qu'à quitter.
Maison, mais c'est la police anglaise. Il n'a pas la bière.
Non, c'est là de père à lui.
Attends, mais qui est dedans? C'est exprès.
Lui aussi, il est bête. T'as vu banger ça là? Non, quand même.
See a car in the quam. You obviously form here coming down so quiet. May call you more as we see about better tosso. See a car in the quam. Oh, go for my mom, Koja. Politicians, yes, Samoa, Mumway. Namu, mobile. Mumway and Amu, mobile, baby, a card. Says a quanasi. Moria, a quanasi. May call you man of payo. May call you man of pay. Na sesi amohwe de asie ekwan na si samohwe ekwan na si ebe da akọ da bia yeto aba mohwe de asie yesramo a mpanifo se wo nkra na otie mi sa bre ya ana wo hwe bia hwe de asie ena ni adechi yesramo tumri kana mo ebibi mae ekwan na si yesra samohwe ka na da nsuo mo ka na da nsuo wow. Oh, since I can't dance, we are some of the night. Says any passion soon as I better down. Ni passion soon as I better down. Kwame down so quiet. Wow. And Crawforma. Wow. Maria. Kwame down so quiet. One Crawforma. Yes, Samoa, Mutubri cameraman here. And yes, I had to be quite you. Wow. Just say to me for my hair. Wow. Say ultimoto soa. This is ofa wuram na wako. Wow, he moto oba be sia wonam moto so. Wo fa wuram na wako e trata. Ani e de ba be.
Hey. Ewe Jesus. Hey. Hey. Hi. Oh. Oh.
Hey, Asemo.
Wow, this is serious. Lemubola. This is Ghana's motorway. Just a little minute of downpour. Look at what is happening to our motorway. Cars can't cross. People are stuck. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, it was here for drainage system. They been a while. Wow. The battery a book. Wow. Car quite a while come on. Wow. See drainage system way. I was here to a book. Nanky, I had the come. Wow. Yang you. Yang yet. I better would say wow. Africa plastics. And you would. Wow, it be before no. Wow, you're paying for a boy, bro. Now, young Cassandra, some boy, and one bro. Wow. then wood plastics and wow. A man for few soon a while round me. Wow. Where were Lekma Nungwa ni station fin. Lekma Hospital. What side? Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow, ya brabwa, edetia. Wow. Baby you too. Na me kan no. Wow ka kwan na omoye no. Ka kwan kama omoye. Wow. Gata bie ni ka kwan ne ho. Wow, ka kwan ni. Gata bie ni ho. Tie nsuo to ye no. Wow dia ahase. So wow. Tie se nsuo nyansa. So wow. Yi ka kwan fe. Wo be yi gata e dia to ka kwan ne ho no. Eni. Wow. Eni. We nsuo yiri a. Amanfo stores na wo ko no. Wow. Ejuma na ebi ni ho. Amanfo ebi mo shop so a. Nsuo to a. Contractor for na. Omo ye ka kwan na ka se ye hu se adwen be na do mutiri mu. Wow. Wow, baby amanfo be wow, problem ni bi. Wow. Obe komu no. Problem na nya omo muti area ha no. Omo muti ekire no. Ensuo mu na ya pe. Na obi afa ne bola. Na de begina ne gata ho. Na omo ehwie gu gata nketo anim. Na ni nyina ba beboa no wa ha. Wow, very bad. Very bad. Nti da bem pa na chese. Ebibifo. Se bi o ye bebo ye bra se ye nipa. Shaka kwan. Hwe de ka kwan na ye. Ti de bia ye pese atwena nipa wu. Wo koka na wuni aga ne ni aba be ka kire wo se we UK kura nsu yiri. No aka kire wo se China nsu yiri na China nsu yiri ya. Ensu yiri 4-5 days to 1 week to 1 month. Na enwura ene ka kwan. Aye be fa so akọ adwumam na da ho sei. Oma ye nice drainage system. Ye be ne gata kama de akọ no hwe bibi ayaye. Hwe bibi. Amanfo fie so na we kire wo no. Wow, amanfo fie. Wow. Aden. Tien sole kakra Ghana. Yen sole kakra ni yehu se yen jai. Ye bola akra baby ekotu bola. How to dispose refuse kra than problem for our country. How to dispose refuse keke. Oh, mobo. Nyankopon bo bro ni wi no. Dotie na kan na nka okotu agu. E na abofo nketewa. E ka se Dada. Bentungu. Mama ene de bega de ni. Ye ni egu ho. With all due respect. Jimmy. Hey, environment.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Day Bapemene, Insushim, Amayatia Sensu, a young quan, Nasasia Daway, a Mohanchichemu at your son so a young na set Sadia. Didn't know what can I say a man to come and insu and 1 way out Emma when you took our sem. A Radinaya Drilling Company Limited, one about the so how baby and any panemu efa insu, Wabetu Asasiyam, Copimsa Wabetu Supa, and what town and where to at the amount. Borehole drilling, Yayibi, water treatment services, Yaya visibility studies, and we said, baby, I watch you to know a yadia betu to assassinate ansania to yaya hand any electronic pump installation hydrofracture ya the machines are horo esi assassinate ni ya tinsuna fi baby biare wa begu faako yam borehole drilling no e hotel utiminum wo de horade egwarimpa unya or how ankrankre efiesim apartment ahoro insurance hotels estate developers washing bay ni numeku momre ne rade na ya drilling company limited ya bebu am wenyen super putu yang was 0245 636 634 and our 02471 714 72. Eradinaya Drilling Company Limited. This is to a young quan.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Dropyn, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But Madam, how did you hear about Dropyn?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Dropyn since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Dropyn, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Dropyn has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Dropyn. Ebam.
Dropyn, your convenience is our drive.